There's something called the fundamental counting rule. And what that says is if you have m ways to do something one way and n ways to do something else, you have a total possibility of m times n. So if you have 4 shirts and 3 pair of pants, you have a total of 12 outfits. So let's look at this signal from a ship. Flags, 3 different flags. So here's my flags. The ship can, each signal that a certain ship can make is comprised of 3 different flags hanging vertically. All right, how many can I make using 4 different flags? So for this first flag, how many possibilities do I have? Well, I have 4, because it says I have 4 different flags. Now you've used one of those flags in this first position. How many flags do you have left? Well, you only have 3 left. Now the first 2 positions are taken care of. How many flags do you have left? 2. So you multiply those. 4 times 3 times 2 is 24. So a total of 24 possibilities.